The president and the Democrats really trying to bring abortion back into the spotlight ahead of these midterms, and more specifically to bring back the sort of outrage that people felt at the time that the Supreme Court overturned Roe versus Wade. And there was one sentence by the president of the United States that was very clear about that. He said, "I want all Americans to remember how you felt the day the extreme Dobbs decision came down." The reason for that is that you saw a sort of pendulum swing towards the Democrats after that overturning by the Supreme Court of Roe versus Wade. And over the summer, people got really worked up about that, especially women. You saw a lot of people registering to vote, saying that they were motivated to vote because of that decision by the Supreme Court. And what seemed to be a lost cause for the Democrats, both in the House and the Senate, started looking more competitive, especially in the battle for Senate control. And this sort of Roe effect seemed to have started waning in September, in the fall, as the economy came back into the spotlight. And what the Democrats and the president are trying to do right now, and what we saw in that speech, is really making those Americans, those voters for the Democrats, remember what is at stake. Remember that abortion is an important issue, even though the situation economically might make them feel uncertain. They really want to fire up that Democratic base, fire up young voters, and fire up suburban women who might be paying close attention to the economy, but who could also be swayed because of those abortion rights.